Hi, Math 5 students. It's Miss O'Mara checking in for Wednesday, April 22nd. And we're going to go through some word problems today. Our biggest focus is figuring out the operation. So is it add, subtract, multiply, or divide? And then solving. Okay, so we're going to read through the problems together and figure out what is happening and then go through the solutions. So this first one we are going to read through twice, and we are going to highlight any key info. So get your highlighter ready. All right, here we go. We're going to read through it twice. This is about Quentin. Quentin, we miss seeing you. And Quentin had 2 homework assignments from each school day this week. How many homework assignments did he have in all? Again, we're going to read through it again. Quentin had 2 homework assignments from each school day this week. How many homework assignments did he have in all? So key information, he had 2 homework assignments, and he had them each day during a week. We also want to know in all. So that means we're probably going to look at a total. And when we think of what's happening, he had 2 homework assignments on Monday. He had 2 homework assignments on Tuesday, on Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So if it's the same number each day, that's repeated addition, which we would then say is multiplication. All right, so let's go over and figure out how to solve this problem. So to solve it, he had 2 assignments, 2 homeworks, and he had them each day, which we already said how many days were there. There were 5 days in a week. And we already figured out what operation it is. So we said multiply. So really what we're doing is we have 2 times 5, and that means that he had 10. But what did he have 10 of? And that should be homework assignments. All right, that's our final answer for this first one. He had 10 homework assignments. All right, our second question. A tree farmer had 240 trees for sale. On Saturday, they sold 120. How many do they have left? So again, we're going to read through. A tree farmer had 240 trees for sale. On Saturday, they sold 120. How many do they have left? Highlight key info. He had 240 trees. They sold 120. And we want to know how much is left. So what operation would that one be? You are right, it is subtraction. So now we're going to go over and try to solve it. So we started with 240 trees. There was 120 that they sold. So we said they are going to subtract. Let's go ahead, 0 minus 0. 40 minus 20. 200 minus 100. So that means they have 120 trees left. That is our final answer for the second problem. All right, our third problem today is about Andy. Let's find... All right, Andy, who's been checking in on Flipgrid. I get to see him really frequently on there. He's been collecting containers of slime and has 24 of them. He decided to give 12 away equally to 3 of his friends. How many containers will each friend get? So again, Andy collects containers of slime and has 24 of them. He decided to give 12 away equally to 3 of his friends. How many containers will each friend get? So we know he has 24 containers of slime. He's going to give 12 away. He's going to give it away to 3 of his friends. And we want to know how many will each friend get. So what operation is it that we are looking at for this one? Let's talk through it a little bit. Here's some information though. He has containers of slime and he has 24 of them. So he has 24 things of slime. There's 12 that he gives. And he gives it to 3 friends. All right, that's a lot of information. Now we need to find out how much each of the friends will get. So let's draw it out a little bit. Here's 1 friend, 2 friends, 3 friends. So there's our information of 3 friends. We got that down. Now we need to show him giving away the slime. He has 12 of them. So I'm going to get some green for the slime. All right, so let's start equally giving out the 12 things of slime. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So he gave out 12. The other piece is that he has 24 things of slime. So we need to figure out, what do we do with that information? And that actually is not even helpful for us in solving this problem. That was just extra information they gave us. So we can figure out our answer now because it says how many containers will each friend get. So if we had 12 and we gave it out equally to each friend, there's 1. We want to know how much each friend will get. So we just really want to know, like, how much will one of these friends get? So I'm wondering, what operation is it that we did? If we split evenly among the friends, we did division. So that was 12 divided by 3, and our answer we came up with was 4. So we would say each friend buckets for slime containers. All right. Great work with me today. Make sure that you have all your work down and submit this back to Schoology for Wednesday. Talk soon. Bye.